So in this video, I'm going to show you one product that will remove your dandruff permanently, and you will see the result from the first use. Hey guys, this is Ganga here, back with another video. So dandruff is an on and off thing. Suddenly 1 month there will be too much of dandruff issue, itching scalp. Suddenly 1 month, there won't be any dandruff issue and the hair will be so soft and silky. Oh my god, it's a thing which keeps coming back, right? I'm so fed up with dandruff, guys. So I have tried so many products in the market, and this particular product is the best so far. Okay, so far this is the best, and thanks to my sister-in-law, she introduced this shampoo to me, and the results are amazing. I mean it. So this is the baby out here. I'm really thankful. I'm so grateful that I found this product actually. This is from the brand called Cipla. It is called as Zipto, ZPTO, and it has written as 8x shampoo. I think it's 8 times shampoo, and this is 100 ml and it cost 330 rupees. This shampoo is for both men and women. So according to hair care expert, you have to use this shampoo once in a week for the first month. That means you're going to use it for 4 times in the first month, not more than that. From the second month, you can use twice or 1 time according to your need, okay? But trust me, from the first use, you will feel so much happier. You will see a massive relief, guys. It is going to take away that stubborn dandruff completely, and the itchiness, dryness, everything is going to get cured with this shampoo. I'm telling this with my own experience. So far, this is the best anti-dandruff shampoo. So whenever you're going to use this shampoo, do not use conditioner or hair mask, because that product will reduce the effect of this product. And if you still want to use conditioner, try to find out conditioner from the same brand, Cipla, because it always works like that. If you use same products from the same brand, it gives you more benefit. And this shampoo is available everywhere in your local pharmacy. Please check out. And if you want to buy online, you can check out in Amazon. Even Nykaa has got it. You can just go check it out. So I hope I've given enough information about this shampoo. I want to share few things that will help you in maintaining your scalp hygiene. So basically, change your pillowcase, pillow cover once or twice in a week. That is very important. And always clean your comb or hairbrush regularly. And do not share your hairbrush with other people in the house. And main thing, use fresh towel once or twice in a week. Change your towel, okay? And especially when you're taking hair shower, just use a fresh clean towel. This will help you in maintaining your hair scalp hygiene in a long period. And if you think this is full of chemical, I don't want to use it, don't use it. Do not use it. It's your wish. But we are living in a chemical world, guys. Everything is chemical, and the chemical in these shampoos are made specially for the hair. So do not worry, I didn't have hair fall problem or my hair didn't break. My hair is doing good. So trust the product. So of course there are many DIYs for hair dandruff. You can just Google about it. In YouTube you can go search. There are a lot of DIY that helps in controlling dandruff. I never use DIY for my hair because I have sinus issues. If I keep anything on my head more than 15 minutes, I will catch cold and I will get sinus. That is the reason I'm not trying any DIY for my hair. If you're interested, you can just go check it out. And if I find better, very good DIY, I will be linking down in my description box. You can go check out that video post this video, okay? So I hope this product review was useful to you guys. If so, please consider subscribing and click that bell button, because I'm uploading new video every week. You will get notified, okay? And if your friends or family members suffering this dandruff and itchy scalp issue, share this video to them. And I have made videos for best hair oil and worst shampoo and conditioners. Please check out, okay? I'll catch you in the interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.